What did you do?
I'm fishing.
Okay, what you're fishing after?
A towel maybe?
Maybe. Okay. Baby, is our towel down here?
Maybe I dropped it.
Maybe. You did. Oh, I think you have it. Almost. My lovely, lovely fiance drop his towel. So yeah, now it's lying on the bottom of the harbor. So let's hope he actually got it this time. Oh, I think she got it. Nice. Then he can go.
Can you get the boat hook?
Yeah. Well done, my love.
Thank you. Now it needs drying.
Yeah, a lot, actually. So, what do you call that? Fishing?
Fishing rod?
Yeah. And a boat hook?
Equals lost towel.
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna wash it with fresh water.
It's a very good idea, I think. Because it's very wet now. Well done.
Damn it!
First he forgot it up at the showers and he was going to get it and now he's dropped it the bottom of the harbor. So yeah, it's a very good start for a day. But it's sun is shining, so it's gonna be a great day. But I have to work today, so yeah, another whole day on the boat.
I'm quite excited if I can find all the tools again. I don't know yet. My plan for the very beginning was to pull one of these cables back here, because there's going to be a cabinet here and a cabinet here, and I only need I need some power here as well. So I'm going to pull one of those back. But first I'm gonna kill all of the saloon light, so it won't work. That way I can't mess it up by cutting something. And I'm just gonna use the shortest wire. And then the nightmare begins. I need to find my tools. And after I found my tools, this is one, I need to find the wall cover. One, two, one down. I need to take care not to cut the actual wire. Because that I need. Hello, Loki. I need to get in that room, and that's a disaster. Glue and some sealant. And for now, just to make sure I don't mess up the table, this is just to fit everything up again. And I got a hole or two I want to fill for future reference. So let's start with that. And the new sharp edge. These you need to take care of when you throw out. They are not meant for the garbage man to have on his back. So he takes care of you and your garbage, so take care of him. Mail from one of my new colleagues. I'm a mentor at work, so I have to greet new colleagues. Don't have to, but I'm greeting new colleagues and wishing them the best. I think I had a tape measure down there somewhere that would be beneficial. I did. If I cut that in 190 times 190 times 50, then I should have enough. Alright, so now I have cleaned this up again. I have re-glued this at the side, and I have cut my piece. Now it's time for me to dry fit it. It is a bit stretchy, so you got something to work with, but I recommend trying to get it to stick without stretching it. It puts stress on the glue, so I have no experience with it, but I suspect the lifespan of this is greater when it's not stretched and stretches the glue, because it's a material that can stretch and will do it if you force it to, but it prefers its original form. So let's see how that goes. Dry fitting first, cutting it down to size, and then I'm gonna glue it on. So now it's wedged up against the back plate, behind the back plate. So now I can actually start to glue it up. I'm gonna take it almost to the outside, because I think I'm gonna need some more strength to it than just the back plate. So I'm gonna glue a big portion of it. and let that cure so it can help me. We'll have to see. I would like to do the whole piece at once, but I'm not sure that it's gonna stick that well. So for now, I'm gonna do a big portion of it and then see where we are. I think I'm gonna do all the way to here somewhere so I can get this cut out done correctly. Yes, let's go. Yeah, and then I'm only gonna do one wire at a time. For now, it's gonna be that one. Gluing. And as I am working down here, let's see the camera in the corner, working on the galley to get that up and running, we got this beast. He is sleeping on the windows. What a great companion. But at least he's taking it easy in the heat. It's actually quite hot today, even though the sun isn't fully out. But it works, and it's a benefit to me also. So. and I am still going. But now you can actually see I'm getting somewhere. So the cabinet is up and the lining is up. Still a way to go. I need to put some new LED lights in. The idea was to put LED underneath here to get a front light, and then inside the cabinets as well, so we have some light when we are messing around in there. Yeah, so get going. Minor setback. As you know, I took one of the wires and pulled it back, and left one with the assumption that it went to the same switch, and it doesn't. So kitchen light works, but I got an LED strip up here as well, and it doesn't work. So I have to figure out where to go. But for now, this is how it is. Jesus Christ.